Right, I'm back.
All right.
Yeah. So let's create one more site collection. This time we are going to see site within site, and then we have a site menu. So let's create one more site collection. Perfect. Now give it call sub site demo. Perfect.
I don't know why this keeps happening with all of my.
So your mouse is maybe fast.
I guess so.
Hmm, good. Yes, the sites. Give it a name. SS demo. So it's a sub site demo. Perfect. Now we are going to select a team site. Select the username, which is SPDemo, who is administrator. SPDemo.
What was it?
I think you have to type SP admin, right? SP admin.
Admin.
Hmm, it's that one. I think you have to remove the additional SP. Right. All right. Go ahead and click OK. Perfect. So my site has been created. Now hit that site. All right. Now. So we have a site where we can go and upload my documents. So let's go and upload. Go to document here. So you have an upload option. All right. Browse, C drive, data, and you have a two document. Click the first one, then click OK. All right. Now you see on your left hand side, you have something which is called site content. Click that one. Pretty right. Now below you see something called new subsite. Give it some beautiful name. You can say Apple. Give it a name Apple. Let's give a company name, okay? Apple, Microsoft, IBM. That's good, fine. We are going to create three site. IBM, okay, class. Yeah, right. So let it to community site. Perfect now. Scroll down. Then what it is asking, use same permission. Say yes, yes, yes in all three. All hit create. Remember, in all coming days, we are going to discuss each thing more detail, right?
Hmm.
Perfect. Now. So it say that you have created a community site. Community means where we can discuss something about some burning issues. All right. So leave it as it is. Go back to your sub-site demo again, main homepage of your sub-site demo. Click sub-site demo. Yeah, this is your parent site. Perfect now. Now again click site content, reference site. Perfect now. Click new sub-site. Go ahead and create Microsoft. Just type here Microsoft. Looks fine. Leave it a team site. I'm all okay. Yes, yes, yes. Pretty good. Right? And the last one, which is what? Google. Subsite. If there is no Google, what we will do? We can't do anything, right? Yeah, it's fine for us. Say yes, yes, yes. Pretty good now. Look at your site now. You have a sub-site, you have IBM, you have Microsoft, you have Google. Now just click edit link, which is coming below. Yeah, just say maybe something like, or just say cancel. Click cancel it. We will do it another ways. Again, click site content. I think we have to click now. Select IBM. Perfect now. Let's have a new discussion. Click that one.